Okay, now we're really getting into the core of your business: marketing, selling, and promoting. When it comes to getting an online business up and running in 30 days, the beginning, end, and middle of all your plans should be focused on getting people to look at your product or service and making them an offer. Over the final week of OFA, the focus is on driving traffic. That is, getting people to see your landing page and become interested in your product. The work you have learned at this point is how to move people towards you. Now, I know that selling freaks people out. No one wants to be the sleazy, pushy salesperson who's always bothering people and claiming they have a great offer for them. At the same time, if you do not promote your business and tell people what you have to offer, no one will ever know and you will not make any sales. The lifestyle freedom that you are dreaming of comes from earning income through your business. If you are unable to generate revenue, the business is not working and your dream fades fast. Even if you consider sales and marketing to be some sort of unwelcome annoyance, you must take the time to learn exactly what you need to do for your business. While all the marketing gurus do have valuable information for you, the techniques and strategies they use may not always be what you need for your own venture. Do not be afraid to promote, but make sure you always customize the information to suit your target audience. In OFA, the overall tactic is to use social media to engage with interested customers, but you may find that a Zoom conference call works better or detailed emails. All that is great. Pick the tactic that works for you and keep promoting. The exact approach you use is less important than just doing it. You have to set time aside every day and keep offering more and more valuable content for people who are engaging with you. So this week in OFA is really focused on promoting your business, promoting your sales funnel. So use that social media strategy taught by Rachel Miller and all the great ideas that she has. Use that. Make it suit your target audience, target the people that are your dream customers, promote your business and drive traffic to your funnel. And I know it makes people antsy. It made me antsy. It took me a long time to learn how to do this, to want to do this and all of that. But really, there's no other way. How people can't read your mind. They don't know your business is out there unless you're telling them, unless you're finding a way to tell them. So start with whatever's most comfortable for you, but get out there, say things that are important, that are valuable to your dream customers. You probably think these things all the time, so just put them in your post. This is the way you're going to get the word out there about your business, and it's just so critical. So you just want to start learning how to do these activities, making it part of your daily schedule, making it part of your day, and just keep doing it. Just keep driving people to your funnel. You came up with this idea because you know there's a gap, right? You saw an opportunity, you know that there's a product that people want or they need, and so you've created it and it's time for you to market it. So just get out there, do your social media posting, find the different ways to drive traffic to your funnel. Always be repeating that link so that people know where to find it. And don't forget the additional videos on the day. Concentrate on marketing. This is what this week is all about, is to get this marketing idea into your head so that you're always out there promoting your funnel. Remember, you are targeting your dream customer. You know what your customer avatar is. You know what your customer likes. So make sure that you tailor your actual posting and promoting and marketing towards your dream customer. And of course, continue to learn to write good sales copy. Always be writing to that dream customer to get their attention, to use your headlines to grab, to get them to stop the scroll. That's who you want to talk to, and that's who you want to be actually looking at your funnel. So your results today, be posting and promoting about your business in social media. So you're posting and promoting on your social media account, maybe the page you've already created or something new, maybe you've created another one. Just keep doing it. Get out there, let people know that your business is viable, that you have a sales funnel, and that you have something to offer. So your core results today, a lot has been done so far, but the real thing that you're doing is taking everything that you've already set in place, and now you're posting and promoting about it. You don't need to have any extra costs associated with this unless you hire somebody to do your social media for you. But generally, you want to be doing this yourself. You want to know what your dream customers are asking. You want to be the one who's responding and commenting. So you're doing this yourself and you shouldn't have any additional costs. All right. So if you have any questions, reach out on social media or email, and I'll see you in the next day.